and it's the best day ever.
Good morning, or afternoon or night, depending on when you're watching this. My name is Brianna. This is the first time you've been on this page. Hey, hi, what's up? How are you? If this is me welcoming you back, hey, the scenery has changed. I have moved, and I was thinking today we could do my kitchen together. So I'm going to make a list. We're going to head to our favorite, Trader Joe's. Maybe explore the city a little bit today because I'm new to Atlanta and I want to see what this city has to offer. I'm dressed casually, I think. I'll show you my outfit. Casually, like I said. You're a fake friend because I saw that hole and you were just going to let me wear this out? You weren't going to say anything to me? It's okay. I see how you do me. It's cool. I thought we were friends here. I thought we were cool. No. I don't need to hear your excuses. A real friend would have told me that there is a hole in my butt. But an affirmation for the day, ladies and gentle fish. Oh, we got 3. Before we get into it, it's almost like the same color scheme throughout. So very orangey and purpley. And it says forgiveness. I acknowledge that harboring resentment blocks the flow of love. And what's next? Love. I commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things. And lastly, failure. I understand that a mistake is only an opportunity to learn. If you're watching this on the phone, I'm going to hold it up so you can screenshot it. Awesome. If you're not watching it on your phone and you want to pause it and write it down, these are really nice. Hell yeah. Love, forgiveness, and failure. Okay guys, let's go shopping. What's annoying is I wanted to film a cute little grocery shopping video today. That was like the highlight of this video, and my phone died the second that I walked into Trader Joe's. But I walked in Trader Joe's at 2:22, so maybe I should just start charging my phone at night. Anyways, when I get home, I'll show you all the goodies that I got, because your girl kind of got excited inside of the Trader Joe's and went a little overboard. But see you soon. If you know, you know. And then I got some jalapenos, you know how we do. Some salted edamame. I got 2 bags of these. I love mixing this with some chili oil. Got some cucumber so I can make some cucumber salad. Pesto, baby. I don't have a pantry, so I'm thinking about using this as my pantry. Chicken broth. Yes. Alright, so this will be my pantry instead. Let's see if I can fit everything. I don't need to see the bag. I know exactly where it is. Then I got some brown sugar oat creamer. This stuff's amazing. Brown sugar oat creamer. You can't sleep on this. Got some green tea matcha mix. Minced garlic, because I'm not a chef. Some dishwasher detergent. Some tomatoes. Some dry balls. I'm thinking I'll sprinkle it with like some lavender oil. Some lobster ravioli. Bananas. Organic. Some fresh avocado. Mangoes. And you know, I had to get the eucalyptus. Ooh, this is everything that I bought. At first I was like, you know what, I got a lot of food. I understand why it would be that much money. Also got a laundry detergent. Yeah, I want you to guess how much that was. Guess how much that little bit of food was. This little bit of food. Almost $100 for a week's worth of food. No. Oof, I'm fucked up about it. Just a little bit. You have seen the pictures of people's fridges like that. Yeah, that little bit of food was $100, so I cannot imagine how much that is, but we're gonna try to do our best because when it looks more appealing, it's easier to eat. So I have this glass bowl. This bowl was left over by my neighbors when they moved out, and they had it in a pile of free stuff. It came with another bowl, but my dog broke it. But this will be the fruit bowl and the tomato bowl. Now I have a set of 2 of these. I got them from Walmart, I believe. I think it was $10 for the set, which isn't too bad. But this one is going to be my cucumbers and my jalapenos.
Quite like me, me. Never had a girl 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 quite like me, me.
Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry. Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a two-seater.
That is so upsetting. That and some of this is food that I had from my old apartment. Well, I guess not really food, but creamer and stuff like that. Jesus. That little bit was $100 almost. Huzzah. Howdy friends. It is day 2. I just found this supermarket called Nam de Man. It is a farmer's market. It's incredible. I just got so much stuff. Did I spend almost $100 again? Yes. Is it worth it this time? I believe so. I got a whole bunch of fruit this time, and I got some green onions, some ramen, some fish for some sushi. They had everything in here. I love it. Can't wait to show you guys what I got. Part 2 of the grocery haul. Doritos. You know I had to do it. Some spicy ramen. I should have bought some eggs now that I think about it. And I grabbed those on my way home. Some Kewpie mayonnaise. It's in a squishy bottle. That's so weird. I've never seen that before. Oh, it's going to have to go in the other one. And then I had to get my sriracha and my sweet chili sauce and my chili paste, my strawberries. Oh, they smell so good. And a dragon fruit. Got some coconut oil. I've been using this as deodorant. I know how it sounds. It's amazing. I needed some dryer sheets, so, you know. And then I also had to get some bleach. And then I got some Glade lavender and vanilla for my bathroom and my studio. They gave me so much plastic. So if I start shopping here, reusable bags. Then I got some kimchi and some salmon. I got some Sprite for when I'm feeling like I need some carbonation. They don't fit here. Yeah, they do, just sideways. Lastly, I got some seaweed, green onions. I'm gonna slide that in there with my avocado. And then, I don't know how to pronounce it. I will insert the text on what this is called. So good. So good, so good, so good. And all that costed me. So I don't know what video I'm gonna end up putting this in, but I'm having incredible deja vu right now. I've been seeing this right here in my dreams for like a year and a half, and I never even knew what the fuck it was, where it was at, or anything. And this is the first time I'm seeing it in person. What the fuck? I don't know about you, but every time I get deja vu, it trips me out so much. Like, that means I'm supposed to be here. I'm meant to be here. So everything has felt really symbolic lately, including moving on the new moon, all the deja vu I've been having. Life is good, but I'm also nervous. And I saw this TikTok the other day that was talking about how you're used to always being in fight or flight mode. You like crave, your dopamine levels crave chaos. And so if it's not in a relationship, you're creating chaos other ways. And I'm so happy I came across that video because it awoke something within me about how addicted to the chaos I was. Even though I'm a Virgo, so like, imagine a Virgo being in fight or flight mode, right? Okay. I'm doing it to myself. I gotta get out of that. I need peace. I deserve peace. I deserve peace. I deserve being calm. I deserve being at one with myself. And I deserve to not always live in a state of fighting. Like, I'm happy. Life is beautiful, man. Okay, bye. So, I got these cute little cups. I don't know what they're called. These little jar thingies from IKEA. I'm gonna put my creamer in this one. This was like $4.99 at IKEA. Super nice. It's taken me like a few days to film this, and it's okay. I'm in love with the process. Gotta get every last drop, because this shit is gold. If you don't know about this shit is so good. Don't play yourself. Hi, Miso. The second one. Look at that. It looks so beautiful already. Every last drop. Nice. Nice. It looks like it belongs there, I think. So I'm making the lobster ravioli for dinner with pesto. And then probably sriracha, because I love my shit spicy. Or maybe I'll cut up some jalapeno and put it in there. Ooh, it says salted boiling water. Where's my salt at? I don't know if you can tell, but I'm still unpacking. I'm still looking for all my things. Salt. It's in my suitcase. If you're thinking about moving to Atlanta, all I gotta say is, girl, it is expensive out here. I took myself to a vegan restaurant the other day, and I got a burger, not even a combo, a tea and a dessert, because they had vegan tiramisu. Just call me Kelly Stamps, cause girl, I love tiramisu. Anyways, that shit was like 20 bucks. 20 bucks. And then I had to leave a tip, so it was like 25 bucks. Also, I was talking to my friend Nicole. She said that they do not tip out here. And I am trying to be a server until my passions take off. Homie, please help the kid.
Niggas say I'm solid, but y'all probably in their station. Most of the niggas that's around me throwing seeds like they gripping. Do it for the twins, free Lil Corey, Lil Chrissy. But I'm rocking with my shooters, and that's mandatory. When I'm top like a Mozzie, bitch, I keep it 40. You say I'm lacking, nigga, try me, shit you and your shorty. I'm cooking up in the lab like I'm Rick and Morty. 40 pop up, hit 'em off to turn your brain to pasta. Hit a opera, dread swinging just like I'm a roster. Smoking ganja, and I'm footed, walking in my product. Any nigga touch my gangsta, nigga, I'm a popper. I'm really rapping about this fucking life that I fucking live, but I be coolin', tryna focus on them fucking dividends. But if it's money on your head, well, I'ma fucking get it, man.